Today, I'm going to show you how to change that monthly payment course from the default 3,000 yen to a higher amount directly inside the PayPay app. First, open your PayPay app. Slide to the left and tap on the card icon to access your credit card dashboard. Next, tap on the Manage menu icon. Once you are in the settings, look for the option that says Revo Management. This is the total amount I have spent on revolving payments. Tap on Change Payment Amount. Here you can change the revolving payment course for both shopping and cashing. In this example, I am changing from 3,000 to 20,000 yen. By increasing this amount, you are committing to paying back more each month, which clears your debt faster and drastically reduces the total interest fees you are charged. Review the new setting on the confirmation screen and tap the button to confirm the change. You should see a message saying the setting has been updated, and that's it. You have successfully adjusted your course to pay off your balance much faster. Quick tip: make sure you choose an amount, like 20,000 or 30,000 yen, that you are comfortable paying every month. If this video helped you save money on interest, please hit that like button, subscribe for more Japan finance tips, and I'll see you in the next video.